to your first alert weather forecast. My name is Dooley Godot here, and we're going to be taking a look at some severe weather that's taking place across the state of Missouri this evening. And we're seeing two distinct areas of thunderstorms here. We have these showers and thunderstorms here across the northern section of Missouri. This is encompassing St. Louis, as well as it was affecting Kansas City just a little while ago, but now it's making its way towards the east, northeast there. But it's very heavy rainfall, although none of this activity right here is severe at this time, but there is very heavy rainfall. So we do have some flash flooding concerns with this area of thunderstorms that's moving east about 40 miles per hour across the state of Missouri. This is going to be moving into Springfield in just a little while, and eventually it's going to be making its way toward the St. Louis area here. But we are going to be seeing this area here, and we are going to zoom in on this location down here because there's some things I want to say about this. Now here we are looking at this cluster of thunderstorms down here across southern Missouri. Here is Farmington, Missouri, and we're going to be seeing this storm make its way towards Salem. But this is what we call a mesoscale convective system. This is a MCS system, so it's kind of like a low pressure center area all in itself. And what it is a rotating area of severe thunderstorms rotating around a central low pressure center. Because these storms are so strong and powerful, they develop their own low pressure and start to basically regenerate. So we have regenerative thunderstorms going on here as this thing moves to the east. And as you look at this radar image, you can see a clearly defined bow echo here. So this indicates a severe thunderstorm, and you see this outflow area of this storm here. It's a very impressive thunderstorm, and I wanted to show you this because it's a classic example of MCS in real time there, as this very powerful thunderstorm is making its way to the east here. It's not going to produce any tornadoes. You don't usually see tornadoes. If you do, they're going to be more on the southern end here, where that main inflow coming into the storm from its main gust front down to the south and east here. If there's any tornado activity with the storm system, that will be the most likely area that it will happen. But again, a very classic example of an MCS down here in central and southern Missouri that's going to be moving to the east here towards Chester. It's going to affect Festus, Farmington as well, going to make its way toward the Illinois state line and the Mississippi River down there. But it's going to be lots of heavy rainfall, damaging winds certainly, as this is a severe warning storm. We're seeing those winds in excess of 60 miles per hour, about 2-inch diameter hail. That hail is going to be causing damage to roofs, trees, power lines, cars. Animals, if you're animals outside, people will be injured by the hail coming down from this storm, as well as those 60+ mile-an-hour winds are going to be causing damage to trees, going to be knocking trees over, maybe small buildings. If you have one of those aluminum sheds or a wooden shed or anything like that, anything that's not very heavy could be badly damaged or destroyed by these strong winds. So we are just taking a quick look at this big storm. I want to zoom in on it a little bit more, kind of give you a little bit more details about it. So this storm here, I think this is an excellent teaching lesson here for a lesson in meteorology 101 for you guys. So as we're seeing this MCS make its way across the state of Missouri right now, as you can see, you can look down into it and see the purple, see the little purple inflections there? That's the hail core falling, the hail falling from the storm. You see the lightning strikes, the little blue dots there indicates the lightning strikes. Now this is lightning in real time for this storm as it's making its way to the east across the state of Missouri. Once again, we have a live example of a mesoscale convective complex as this huge thunderstorm is making its way across the state of Missouri. So if you're in the path of this very powerful and dangerous storm, you might want to take cover, secure your vehicle, get into the garage, not stand near any windows, as some of this hail is not falling straight, it's being projected because because of those strong winds that's going to be blowing some of this hail in a horizontal fashion, and that rainfall. And you're going to see those excessive winds as well. So it's going to be causing a lot of damage. Maybe we're going to see some power outages as a result of all of this very nasty weather. You don't need tornadoes to do a lot of damage here, but this guy is going to be one for the record books for this area. And I want to record this so that this is excellent. This is wonderful. This is a beautiful specimen of an MCS as this powerful storm makes its way to the east across the state of Missouri. If any changes happen or if it intensifies, I don't think it's going to intensify much stronger, and I don't expect any tornadoes to develop out of this. But if anything should happen, I'm going to jump on here with another video and bring it to you live. So my name is Dooley Godot. Thanks for watching today as we talk about this very amazing and astonishing weather event that's taking place across the state of Missouri.